Jersey number 5, intercept by jersey number 3. 2 points, 7-0. Okay, hockey violation. Alpha. No. Position number 1. Position number 1 again for 3. Middle with position number 20. 20. Traveling. Basket. 9-0. Jersey number 27. First personal foul, first team foul, 2 against 9. Basket down. 3 against 9. Cross, Comienzo. Miller, goodbye. Violation. Bravo. Wow. Position number 11, position number 21. Number 21. Number 11 for 3. That's it. Position number 11 for 3 points. 6 against 9. In favor of Al-Qadim by 3 points. Position number 3. Position number 3. Position number 3. Position number 3 for 3 points. Position number 11. Position number 2. For 2. 14 against 6. Jersey number 27 foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Menentera pasok. 7 against 14. Now, jersey number 1. Jersey number 27. Number 3 for 3. Where's the ball? Jersey number 11. Good block by jersey number 27. To jersey number 1. For 2. Tapos. Diba by jersey number 3. To jersey number 1. Two points. 16 against 9. Number 11. Travel. Okay, substitution. Substitution. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 24. Jersey number up 5. In 5. team foul. Dito na po, 40. Number 1, Nogo, bumaba po sa number. Pinasa sa kalaban, foul. Post fouling, 24 foul. First personal foul, second team foul. Two shots by jersey number 3. Malantena, Nogo. Second breaker. Nogo, bumaba by jersey number 24. Hinala ka bola. Hinala ka jersey number 3. Number 1 for 3. Number 1 for 3 points. 19 against 7. Up by 12. Ano naman? Pass pick by jersey number 13. Number 13. 4 points. 21 against 7. Jersey number 10. Oh, foul, pushing. 13. First personal foul, 13 foul. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Hey! Last touch by jersey number 13. Bravo ball. 14 shot clock. Uy! Pinasa sa kalaban. Cross. Dominenso. Nogo. Technical. Jersey number 10, technical po. Score 30. Okay. 1 shot plus ball position. Okay. First personal foul, 30 foul, Roy. Number 1, good pass, Bacha. Number 3, rebound, 2 points. 22 against 7. Number 6, for 3. Nogo, number jersey number 1. Pass break naman, jersey number 1 again. Number 1, 2 points. 25 against 7. 1 minute and 30 seconds for the first quarter. Good. Pass break jersey number 13. Pasok. 27 against 7, up by 20. Good pass. The press. Pass break pa naman by jersey number 3. 2 points. 45 seconds. Pass break by jersey number 13. Okay, 24 seconds. No more shot clock. Get ready. No more shot clock. 20 seconds. Ano ba jersey number 27? Nakaka ng jersey number 10. seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay. That's the first quarter score po natin. 7, bravo. Ampais, balik ulang. Robert is number 27. And now, this is number 6. Number 6. Number 7. Number 7, number 3. Look at the number 1, foul. This is number 21. Foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Donatella, pasok. 32. Pangalawa.
Calm down.
Pasok, basket ka. Number 21. Number 21. Second personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot. Kita menuju ke number 1. Okay. 2 points. Now, this is number 19. Foul. First foul. Number 1. Number 1, first personal foul, first team foul. By Alba. 2 shot producing for the Martin. Donatella, pasok. Kita bola. Nova, sebuah progresi bola. Number 7. Number 1. Finale, pass the ball. Jersey number 0, foul. First personal foul, 13th foul. Number 1 for 2. Number number 6. Jersey number 27. Jersey number 1 for 3. Number 1. 3 points. Position to himself. 27. Pass to Jersey number 1. Nobody can position number 1. Number 1. Block. Simple. Position block. Number 6. Ilalim. Pasok. Position number 1, position number 23 for Green. Nova. Stepping line. Bravo. Ball. Number 8. Martin. Panasa. Isi number 0, Santos. Silalim. Pemilihan nomor belum by Santos saja. Mastak by Santos. Ball. Number 1. Position number 1. Number 26 for 3. Another number using 1. Good. Foul. Post foul. Number 6. Number 6. First personal. Number 6. Another. 20. Foul. Pasang substitution check. Okay, 20 foul. Bravo, warning for penalty. Push-up, condition number 26. Out, 5. In, 5. Penalti pasok. 42. Bawah. Another, bangkai. Ini bola. Pinasa. Ya. Overtake. Up. Pinasa sa kalaban. Ano naman? Domination. Dosa number 1. Pasok. 44 against 8. Number 18. Number 10. Domination. Domination number 27. Domination. Wala. Bola. Bravo. Ayan. Number 6. 2 points. Number 6 against 8. Number 10. Number 1. Rebound. Enough. Number 1. Position number 6. Number 1. Laban. Go. Laban naman. 26. 2 points. 48 against 8. Up by 40. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. For the second quarter. Yan, tapi. Last touch by UI. Bravo ball. Ready. Number 10. Enough producer number 1. Producer number 24. Producer number 18. Producer number 29. Nova, bye-bye. Mandula. Producer number 6. Tumira. Pas Nova, bye-bye. Producer number 18. Tumira. Wow. Post public. 27. Okay. Third personal. 14 foul. 2 shot. 2 minutes and 41 seconds for the second quarter. Montero. Back Breakfast. Isa. 9 against 40. Single. Ibang position bola. Okay. Gabriel. For 3, position 24. Novo, Tumira. Post. Tumira, Pinasa kalaban. Number 8. Sa kanyang bola. Pinasa sa position number 11. Number 11. Tumira. Novo, ibang position number 27. Number 6, Binalik. Number 6 for 3. Nogo. 50. Number 11, 14, of course. Number 6. Block. Goal. Fast break. Symbol. Grabbable. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. Foul. Post foul ring. Okay. One second personal foul. One for penalty. Two shot by jersey number 6. Ang pera, todo. Pangalawa. Good. Number 6. Good. 25 seconds. Number 11, 14. Number 1. 10 seconds. 5. Magpapasok na ito. Magpapasok. Okay. The end of the second quarter, score po natin 11 against 50. Ready. Cruz. Pinasa ke gilid. Tumira ng 3. Good. Nakapag-use si number 0. Sakto. Fast break. Pinasa ng jersey number 13. Pasok. Pasok na naman ito. 52. Yan naman. Okay. Last touch. Bravo's block. Take the clock. 5-shot clock. Wow. 56 foul. 56. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot. Jersey number 0 Zentas. Pera. Nodo. Wow. Yo. 57. Wow. Number 20. Second personal foul. First team foul. Pasok. 54. Number 20. Rakda. Symbol. Okay. 14 shot na. Foul. 26. Second personal foul, second team foul. Santos from the free throw line, pasok. 12. Second throw. Berubah posisi nomor 19, dengan bola ke 19, Apal. Sayang. Last touch. Alpha, Bravo ball. Position number 2. Position number 20. Number 0 for 3. Position number 1. Number 0 again. Selalu. Kalau bisa begini. Overtime for 3. Number 6. For 2. Pasok. 56. Santos for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Number 3 to points. 57 points. Up by 46. Number 6. Jersey number 6. Number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots. Walang pera. Nogo, pangalawa. Pasok. Dari 59. Number 6 Santos. Ay, basa sa kalaban. Basa sa labas. 3 minutes and 30 seconds for the third quarter. Number 3. Position number 1. Pasok. 26 for 3 points. Carl, 62 against 12. Up by 50. Lucky football. Number 13, Pasok. 64. Number 3, Pasok. 66. Number 6, pass to Christian Hotel. Selalu, Binasa. Binasa, single. Okay, ready. Number 6. Pasok, yan na. Bisa na. 14. Again, 6 to 6. Now, position number 1. Number 1. Tumaling, Pinasa. Pinalik. Tumira. Wala na. Yan na. Tumira na. minute and 40 seconds. Yan naman. Number 11. Good speed. Number 6. Silali. Ay, pinasa. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 6. Silali. Foul. Number 6. Number 6. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 shot. Jersey number 26. 1 minute and 15 seconds for the third quarter. Walang tira. Wala. Last shot. Grabe. Sunod-sunod lagi. Sige. Yan. Tingnan foul. Number 11. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 55 seconds for the third quarter. Walang tira. Tapos. Okay, ready. So, 69. Batik na. Sige. Number 24. Ay, pinasa. Twenty seconds. For 3. No go. Bubang boy. Kanang bola. 26. No bola. Right ball. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Ready. Nakahabol pa. 71 against 14. And of the third. Tingnan naman. 20. Ay. Last break. Yan naman. Number 1. Yan na naman. 13. Pasok. Dumiretso, tira. Ay, pasa sa lalim. Ay, tingnan niyo tuloy. 3 seconds.
Shoot the ball. Ayaw magsishoot.
Pasok daw.
Sa
Number 6.
sa 2000 ay sa sila ayaw na magsishoot.
Third personal foul, first team foul. Jersey number 1. No good. For 3. Ay, sayang. Ang tuloy sa Jersey number 1, ang bilis. Wow! Lumipad sa ere. 79 against 14. Ayan na, panta sila. Go ahead. Wow. Madrigal. Hindi, Madrigal. Sinitso mo. Ayan o. Good. Number 18. Sige na. Sige. Ay, sayang. Sige mo na lang. Number 11, Janari. Yan na, tumira ng press. Shoot! Ay, sayang. Ibabay. Buwan na, iba. Ito. Nakaka na. Sige. Diretso. Ay, wala pa rin. Parang ring yata. Up. Nag-pattern. Traveling. Ready. Pintu, ya. Basket down. Dulu siap. Nah, kunti dalam. Kunti dalam dulu. 16 lagi 29. Ready. Pass break lagi. Disuruh luas. Sekali. Cross. Pas bola 5. Masuk jersey number 6. 81, 6 minutes. Good. Pasan man, cross. Number 6 pala, 2 points. 83. Sting. Sige. Ay. Pasan mo, pasan sa kalaban. Pasok. 85. Okay. Number 18. Quintus. Tujuan number 3. Okay. Substitution trip. Pasok ang 5. Out din ang 5. Okay, ready. Bravo ball. Sige. Ya ay, sayang sige. Putri. Putri. Number 1. Bukan baik. Mengguna. Salah keren. Isi number 1. Terus. Putri. Kena balik number 1. Masuk. Okey, ini 7. Putri, akan teman. Number 13. Masuk. 4 minutes. Oh, enak. Okey. Tujuan sini. Akan teman. Lah, berapa? Saya pergi. Yang apa? Oh, kau. Aku di bawah. Oh, ya, ternyata. Apa? Anjing. Okay, substitution trip. 26. Jersey number 26 and jersey number 3 and out by jersey number 1 and 27. Okay, ready? 3 minutes. Ya, agak teman. Pass break by jersey number 1. Number 1. Wih, Grabe. Number 13. Wala. Aga naman yung si number 3. Number 3 for 3. No good. Number 3 pa rin. Aga ulit. Jersey number 19. Sige. Diretso. Good. Dua. Number 0. No good pa rin. Yan. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Up, traveling. Ready. Uy, paano yun? Pasas na laban. Number 1, umikot, tumira. One by. 2 minutes. 95 again, 60. Pasok again. 97. Tapos na. Nanagal na. Number 1, pasok. After the line. Ready. Sige na. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 2, 2 minutes o. Yan, wala pa rin. Yan na, jersey number 1. Pasok. 101. How? Number 13. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Ready. Look for 2. Rebound by jersey number 6. Number 13. Alam ko yun na. 50 seconds. Ay! Sige. Number 30. Number 50. Number 30. Ang gula. Dulu. Ready. Ready. 20 seconds. Give it to the team. Oh, yeah, foul. 26. Number 26, free throw. After 26 seconds. Ready. Balik. Sayang. 20 seconds. Ingat na lang. Ingat na lang. 3, long 3.